Hey, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you're at today. Hope you're having a good day. Tim Mix with Mix Aircraft Solutions. Well, another project today. We are working on a J-3 wing, getting it prepared to put some fabric on it. A guy hired me to put the fabric on. He's going to do all the painting, but I'm going to do all the fabric work and get it up to paint, which is fine with me. I don't like painting. So let me show you what I did. So pretty much stripped all the wing, all the fabric off of it. Got it all painted with some self-etching primer that I like to use. So went through and put just a light coat of that self-etching primer on it. Doesn't have to be really thick, just something to help control any kind of corrosion growth. And since this is 1947, you know, it's 46, 47, it's 50 some years old. But what we did is we did a new stainless steel cable in new grommets all the way through here. And then you can see I did 3 wires, a red, a white with green stripe, and a yellow. So if he decides to put strobes on it and has an electrical system, he'll have wires for nav lights and strobes, LED type. Did a new grommet right there, new stainless steel 719 control cable, 1/8-inch control cable. I just got it zip tied right there. I cleaned up the pulley, put a new pin in it, greased her up so she's ready to go and roll. And so now I need to go through and I did my ground. I did a bonding right there with a nice connection, so he has a good ground there. We'll put an inspection panel there because this is one of the guy wires, the anti-drag wires, I guess it would be. It's going to the forward. Anyway, so there would be an inspection panel there. And then that way he can adjust the ground if he needs to, or add one to it, or whatever. This one has a steel tube in it instead of the wood bow. Has a steel wing bow on it. So anyway, she's ready to cover. I got to go through and do all the chafe tape and all the build up, of course, on that. And you know, there's little tidbits of fabric that I still have to pull off from the old butyrate cotton stuff. But other than that, she's ready to go. Cheers. Hope you have a good day. God bless. Take it easy. Bye.